Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll be going over boosting your top posts. So a good strategy to basically grow your account, get higher conversions is basically looking at all your different organic posts, finding the one with the highest engagement and boosting them. Because literally, as you can see, we upload videos every single day, and then you could see the amount of views that each video has. And this is 100% organic. So what you can go ahead and do next is look at all the posts that organically have much higher amount of views. And what you can do next is then boost them, because one, you already know that these, for example, I see a few that are like nearly 800 views. I think in the last 2 weeks, this one's probably the best performing one, 800 views. Since the organic traffic did the research for us and they told us that out of all these videos, this is the best performing video, then if we pump money into this, it's literally pouring oil on an already burning flame. So that's what I'm going to be doing today with you guys. So let's keep scrolling down and see if there's any other videos that have even more engagement. So this one has like 900, but it's like a meme video. I'm going to try to get a music chess related video. This one, 1.8. This is amazing. That's awesome, 1.8. So what I want to try is, I'm not going to boost that because Little Mermaid is out of stock. It's Frozen. We're going to do Frozen. Yep, that one has 1,000. So I might give that one a try. So I want to give this one a try. I'm going to write this down on my notes. And I want to give the most recent Moana video a try. So these two. So what you want to go ahead and do next is go to your ads manager. I'm going to go ahead and create a campaign. 007.musicchess Instagram campaign. I'm going to go ahead and objective. I want to go ahead and actually optimize for conversion. I want people who go ahead and click and view these ads that go through to our Instagram page, follow, click the link in our bio and go ahead and purchase. That's sort of my goal. Ad set 001.moana, save to draft. I'm going to go to the ad first. I'm going to select the music chess page. I'm going to select the music chess page, use existing post. So I want to be boosting a current post that's already has fuel and comments to it. Go ahead and find the Frozen one. So I'm just looking at all the likes. So this is pretty cool. I can see which posts do the best. Alright, so what I decided to do is just start with targeting that Moana video that we chose at the beginning. Out of all the recent posts, this Moana post was able to get nearly 800, which is the most out of everything here. So I'm going to go ahead and try boost that, as well as I'm going to try boosting this Frozen one. So I want to boost based on views, and then the third one I want to boost based on the amount of likes. So in the recent posts, it seems like this Frozen videos had the most likes, and then next I want to boost based on comments. So it looks like the Lord of the Rings had a bunch of comments. So I'm going to boost this. So those are 4 posts I'm going to try boost and see how it goes. So let's start with the Moana video. Continue. I'm going to go to edit placements, Instagram feed only. I'm going to do, 7-day click or 1-day view. Go to 001, Instagram feed. I'm going to do watch more. And I'm going to link them to my Instagram page so they could go ahead and follow our page, get primed by the daily posts that I'm posting, and then go ahead and convert. If I just send them straight to my store, that has a much lower conversion rate, I reckon. So that's the strategy I'm going to go with. Driving the traffic to my Instagram page, which then has the stall in our bio. I'm going to do watch more. And yeah, this looks awesome. Now let's go through the ad set. Alright, so even though I am optimizing for people to click through to my Instagram and then follow, I still want to optimize for purchases, because the end goal is to get these users to go ahead and purchase. And what I'm going to do is, that's why I set up 7-day click. I want to try get users that can be primed within 7 days based on the content on my Instagram to go ahead and then purchase. Budget, I'm going to put in $1. Location, I'm going to put in all the countries that I created from my last list in the last video of how to find the top countries for your store. So check out that video. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the targeting. So I put in all the top countries where all our orders come from. You can watch our last video for that. $1 budget targeting. I'm gonna go as broad as like Moana. And yeah, that's the first ad set. So now I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate that 3 more times. This one, let's change posts. This one's gonna be the most liked video, so Frozen video. This one's gonna be the one with the most comments. So that was the Lord of the Rings. And I think Lord of the Rings is out of stock, but that's fine. They could come in and buy another chest. Let's see, what do I want for the 4th one? Let's try do it for one of the viral videos. So I want to try one just for viral videos like this, where we put a viral video, it's already viral, and it drives traffic to our store. So let's try find the most viral one. Which one has the most views? This one, 2.3k. And it's Disney related, which is awesome. Ooh, 13k. We might have to go with this one, but let's give it a try. Toy Story plus Toy Story 3. So you can see how I structure everything. Now let's go ahead and publish. Let's try to publish with the arrows. Did it work? Oh, it worked. That's crazy. It did work. Yeah. I'm excited to see how this goes because I'm pumping fuel into an already viral video. Plus it's going to grow our Instagram page. Plus they're going to be primed by all our content. So I really have high hopes for this. But yeah, this is how you go ahead and add fuel to already burning flame. Hope you guys found value in this video. I really highly recommend doing it yourself, using organic traffic to break down what works and what doesn't, and the things that do work, put fire to that rather than putting fuel to every single video. Do it only to your viral video. So hope you guys found value in this. Drop a comment below on any new strategies that you've been trying. Don't forget to like the video if you found value. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.